Hello and welcome to the Simple Sexy Surprise series. Did you enjoy last night? Well, tonight we are taking it outside. We are going to have a romantic candlelight dinner outdoors on the deck. Let's get started. It took me a couple of days to get things going because I was trying to decorate and set everything up when I got off work. So we have the rug, the table, and I started wrapping my rose garland around my post. I borrowed a couple of my lanterns from my dining room and put them out there. I realized that I needed to turn my table around, so I got it turned around. It's just about how I want it. I'm using my red tablecloth and my black and white runner. So the colors for outdoors will be red, black, and white. One of my cousins told me to try a little bit of bling outside. So Cynthia, I am taking your advice tonight. I am glamming it up just for you. I brought out my Bella vase from Z Gallery, put in my silver branches that hang all of my crystal pieces. This is really enough. I'm not going to just go way out, but I'm going to do enough glam that she will definitely like it. I wrap my remaining garland around the bottom of the vase just to give it, more of a Valentine's Day feel. I like the way this looks. What do y'all think so far? Please comment and let me know. What do you think? It's so nice and bright outside today. But you know what? I had to kind of hurry up and get through before it got dark. I wanted to get a few pictures and videos so y'all could see what things were looking like before it got too dark. So as you see, I'm setting my table, the heart plates, and I'm using a black and white napkin and then my red rose napkin rings. I love these napkin rings. I ordered them from Amazon to have for Valentine's Day, and unfortunately I haven't done but maybe like 2 tablescapes for Valentine's Day, and actually I'm okay with it. So look how I'm layering everything. We have the black silverware. These are some DIY glasses that I did maybe when I first came onto YouTube. But for my bling, look at the chargers that I'm using. We can say they're chargers, placemats, but really they're mirrors that came off of my wall, and I've used them so many times. I purchased them from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, they are definitely blinged out. I love the way this is looking so far. I had to kind of stand back and let you see what it looks like. I've added the white and silver candles from efavormart.com. The table is surely coming together. Do you know how romantic it's going to be just to sit outside, feel a little night air? Now, I'm in Georgia. I just came from New Jersey, and it's like 67 degrees here. It's very comfortable here, but we're not even turning the heat on throughout the day. You might need a little bit late at night and through the night as you sleep. Okay, let's finish decorating outdoors. I brought some candles from in the house. Y'all, this was so simple because I didn't buy anything. It was easy just to set things up. I just borrowed from what was inside the house to give the deck a new look. All of these areas are just nice living space to me, which is outdoors. The table is now completely set. I added more candles. This is a bench that's on the deck, going with the black, white, and red theme. There's my same red heart pillow. I just borrowed it and brought it outside. Put the 2 chairs over in another area. Y'all, wait a minute. I got to talk about what I'm wearing tonight. Okay, this is from, of course, Shein.com. You got to go check them out. This is the cutest black sweater with a white heart. Y'all, out here on this deck, this is doing it. I'm warm. It's 67, but you know what? I done got a little bit older, and I like my arms covered when I'm outside, especially at night. Make sure you go by Shein.com and see what they have. Okay, let's get back to decorating. I'm just going to kind of fill up this area. I'm adding a few styrofoam hearts that came from the Dollar Tree. Well, the $1.25 tree now, but you know what I'm talking about. And in my planters over here, I added those red roses. Now this is out here by the fire pit where we like to come out and sit and just, you know, have some chill time. Here's a look at the deck down from the ground. Looks good. We are about to light a fire here in the fire pit, so you can see what it looks like. I am so happy how everything is looking so far. Dinner is going to be great. The atmosphere is romantic. Y'all, mostly all of this stuff I had just there in my deck box. So all I had to do was just bring it back out. Listen, remember what we're doing. Simple. This was very simple to do. Sexy. I think it's sexy when you're outside and you're with the one you love. You got some candle lights, a little soft music playing. That's sexy. And if they don't know you're doing it and he comes out the back door and you say, hey, meet me outside, come to the backyard, and they see all this surprise, there is your simple, sexy surprise. We got it all down pat. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. If this is your first time watching my channel and you came by mistake or someone sent you, I want to say welcome. Hello. Nice to meet you. My name is Ms. K. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And to all of my current subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you for coming out. Thanks for the ones who have been coming to the premieres. This has been so fun to me. I'm just a romantic anyway, but I'm curious, what is your favorite video so far? I know we still have a few days to go, but we have covered a good bit of videos. Just let me know, what's your favorite? Okay, I'm gonna let you listen to a little music as we wait for the sun to go down. Once the sun goes down, we are going to turn all of these electric candles on so you can see what it's going to look like as we come outside to have dinner. Keep watching, keep listening, keep enjoying. I'll be right back. Look at this. The sun is going down and look how beautiful it is out here. Who would not want to be out here? I know my neighbors are watching saying, what are they doing? But it's all about the romance. You're keeping it simple. You know what? Sometimes you get tired of eating at your kitchen table, your dining room table. You know, we can fix it up, have the tablescapes. But to come outside, enter into nature is so beautiful. To smell the night air, to feel the air. And then once you get through eating, if you want to sit in any area of the deck, or even if you want to go sit at the fire pit, I'm going to show you a few things that we had. Some sparklers. You know, you're just out there, you're having fun, relaxing. You don't want anything to be so stressful. Just enjoy each other. silence. Besides a little bit of music, listen to the birds chirp. Nature sounds so beautiful. Remember, if you're not doing this for you and your mate, you can always do it for somebody else. It would be such a nice surprise to go to one of your friends' house, your parents, sister, brother, whoever, and set this up for them. If you have the supplies, do it and have them to come out. Show some love, give some love. Thank you all for watching. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow night. Continue watching so I can show you the few sparklers we had outside. It was so fun. Thank you again for all of your support.